In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the listing inactive issue on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. When a listing is inactive, it means buyers can't see or purchase your product, usually due to expiration, stock issues, or account problems. Now, if you want to fix the listing inactive issue on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. Next, go to Listings and select the Inactive tab. Here, Etsy usually shows the reason why your listing is inactive. After that, check the cause. If the listing expired, simply click Renew to make it active again. Keep in mind that a renewal fee may apply. If the issue is sold out inventory, edit the listing and update the quantity. Once stock is added, the listing will become active again. Then, check for any payment or billing issues. Go to Finances and your payment account and make sure there are no outstanding fees. Unpaid balances can deactivate listings. Also, review any policy warnings or emails from Etsy. If your listing was flagged, fix the issue such as prohibited content or copyright problems before reactivating it. Keep in mind that most inactive listings can be restored quickly once the underlying issue is resolved. That's it. By identifying the reason and fixing it, you can reactivate your listing and get your product visible to buyers again.